Hey guys, I just got this in the mail. This is a set of 9 panels by Nanoleaf. Like me, you've probably seen this in other YouTube channels. And I thought this would look great on the studio wall, don't you think? To be honest, I wasn't planning on making this video. I just wanted to set it up and be done with it, but this looks kind of fun to do, and I thought, would it be great if we could do it together? So if you already like this video, hit the like button, or even better, hit it 5 times. Thank you, I really appreciate it. So let's just unbox this box. Ah yes, my trusty knife. My trusty knife. Mwahaha. I'm gonna cut you up. Okay, great. It came out easily. Slide this thing open. I'm trying not to rip my tablecloth off. Hang on, I think this will have to do. Yep. That. Okay. So I like the packaging. It's very simple. It's glossy paper. Quite nice. Okay. Shouldn't be any more tape. Yep. Please recycle me. Nope. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the box. Instructions manual. This is the controller, power cord, power brick. This is the reader module. So this module is pretty interesting. I'll tell you more about it later. This here is the cards that link the panels together. Some stickers. I wonder what this is for. I'm just gonna keep them inside here. And these are the 3M tape. I don't know about this. I probably want to use blue tack instead because I want to be able to move the panels around as often as I want to. Yep. So this goes back in the box, and let's now take a look at the 9 panels. Yep. Set of 9 panels inside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got some ideas about how I want to set it up. Made a few drawings. My drawings suck, I know. Especially this guy here. It looks weird. But yeah, this is the general idea I have. Should I go for the straight line one, or should I do a wave pattern? To be honest, right now I'm leaning more towards the wave pattern. But I don't know, you guys could tell me which pattern you prefer. I'm gonna mount this on blue tack anyway, so it's not gonna be permanent. Or maybe we can try something new. My Instagram link is down below in the description box. Maybe you guys could draw your design and send it to me there. Obviously the best design will go up on my wall, so I look forward to seeing your designs. But for now, I think I'm going to go for this one. I've also got a blue tack, but this is actually a white version, so it doesn't leave too much of a mark on my walls. Okay, so let's do it. Change of plans, I think this design might be a little too tall. So I don't know, should I just go for the arrow? Maybe I'll modify this a little bit, we'll see. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! I hope nothing happened to it. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, maybe blue tack isn't such a great idea. Okay, so now we're gonna do everything from scratch, but we're gonna use 3M tape instead. Okay, so the last one could either be here or here. How about this? Oh, would this be nice actually? I'll just stick to the plan. Wait, I think I might just have an idea. Let's try this. Things didn't go according to plan. Like with most things in life, you just adapt. And now I've got this. Finally, you get to see some colors. This goes into my power socket. And there it is, all lighted up. Come on guys, this looks super cool, right? I love it. It looks great. And I've also connected it to the Nanoleaf Smarter Home app. This app has got so many color presets. Like right now I'm activating romantic. This is a romantic preset. Here there's northern lights. So it feels like you're in Norway, I suppose. And then you can even use this as a reading light. Yeah, no problems there. Super white light, you have 3 different kinds of reading lights to play with. So it's pretty cool. You can even connect this to Apple HomeKit so that you can control this with your voice through Siri. Super cool. I told you I'll talk about Rhythm, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Rhythm is this little module that plugs into the side of your panels. So it is actually a microphone. It picks up stuff like voice and ambient noise. And check this out. Let me switch this on. Okay, you see what's happening here? It picks up my voice, the light reacts accordingly. And this is going to be super exciting for this channel because I review a lot of speakers. And I want such a visual element there when I'm reviewing speakers for you guys. Speakers playing and the lights are changing. How cool is that? I want to thank Bragi International and Nanoleaf for setting me up with a unit. This is a great way to jazz up the studio and I look forward to featuring this product in future review videos. And come on guys, it looks super cool. Won't you want it for your house? I've included the links down below so you can purchase it from there whether you're in the States or you're in Singapore. So go ahead and support them and make your home look sexy in the process. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron is Loud and Wireless. If you're new to this channel, you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad because I upload videos every single week and that is the only way you get notified. And if you think I'm doing a great job with these videos, you can treat me to a cup of coffee through Patreon or PayPal. Links are in the description and I'll thank you in advance for your contributions. So guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Face palm out!